In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation camo on the MXR-17 here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and get into your gunsmith. And from here, what you're going to want to do is go into that customize tab, the camo tab, and then go to the zombie section here, which is where you're going to see all of your challenges that you have to complete in order to work your way up to this beautiful Infestation camo. Now, the first, 9 camos here are going to be your military camos, and they're overall not too bad to go ahead and complete. Essentially, you just need to go ahead and get 1,000 critical kills or headshot kills with the MXR-17. Now, this is not too bad to go ahead and knock out. It does look like a big number, but trust me, just a few games of, farm survival, for example, is going to knock this one out pretty quickly. In fact, for all of these challenges, unless I say otherwise, go ahead and play on some sort of survival map. I know there's a bunch coming in DLC 1 real soon, so stay tuned for those. You can really play whatever one you want, but as of right now, farm is the only one in the game. Moving on to the special camos, though, the first one is just 5 critical kills rapidly 15 times. This is essentially just 75 critical kills quickly, but you only have to do them in pairs of 5. This is super easy to do, especially earlier on in the rounds. Set this as your loadout weapon and you'll knock this out quickly. For the slither camo, you're going to get 10 kills without reloading 15 times. Run up a train, get those critical kills to knock this out. In fact, you can damage them and get them weak, and then go ahead and reload, and then finally use an entire mag to wipe out all of them. That's the actual strategy for this. But for the Pathfinder one, you're going to essentially get 300 kills with the Cryo Freeze ammo mod applied. Now, it doesn't actually have to be the Cryo Freeze that does get the kill itself or the elim itself. It just needs to have went off. So when it does go off, go ahead and get as many kills as humanly possible, and you'll knock this one out quick. It's probably going to take a few times, but you'll get it done pretty fast. For the Golden Dragon one, you are going to need 10 kills rapidly 15 times. This is pretty much the exact same thing that we did earlier with those rapid kills. Get 10 of them in a row, 15 times, 150 kills total, and you'll knock this one out pretty quickly. But here's where it gets challenging. For the Bloodstone one, you are going to need to get the Golden Dragon camo on 6 ARs. Now, I have guides on some of the other ones, so make sure you check those out. But essentially for this one, you are going to need to get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage 5 times. Once again, this is just kills in a row without taking damage. I'd run up a train and then go ahead and take them out. In total, it's only 100 kills, so it's not too bad. The hard part is obviously getting the Golden Dragon camo on the 6 ARs beforehand. From here, we can finally move on to Doomsteel, which, keep in mind, you're going to need to get the Bloodstone camo on all 30 weapons before you can do this. But essentially, you just got to get 10 elite zombie kills with the MXR-17. Now, the strategy for this one is pretty simple. This is actually the only one that you're not going to want to play a survival map for. In fact, you're going to want to go ahead and load into Ashes of the Damned and get past round 16. And from here, you can go ahead and run into the fog. And a Xursa, being a zombie bear, right, is going to spawn in every single 2 minutes in the fog itself. So stay in the fog. I know it's going to get a little bit hectic, but this is where you can farm those elite zombie kills extremely quickly. In fact, you can do this in as early as 20 minutes. Finally, though, for Infestation, you are going to need to get Doomsteel on all 30 weapons, and you're going to unlock the Infestation camo. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.